Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to write an application to DC for preparing a bridge over a canal of your locality. So let's get started. To the Chairman, Deputy Commissioner, Islamabad, dear sir, we, the inhabitants of your locality, would like to inform you that the bridge over the canal running by our village is in a miserable state. The students who attend school and the people who go to the southern face a lot of troubles crossing the canal. It can break down at any moment. I therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to take necessary steps to repair the bridge on an emergency basis. You are faithfully XYZ. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.